This is our Beeline studio at Savoy Park. This one happens to be on the 5th floor in 15 West 139th Street. This is Aaron Chesky from Corcoran. Upon entry, you'll notice a large, bright window, large living room, through-wall AC, and nice blonde wood floors here. Along at the entry, you have an intercom system, large double closet, and let's go take a walk through it. This is a west window overlooking the courtyard. These trees will be lush and green, along with some blue sky. Four appliances, all stainless steel. Large island, can accommodate 2 stools and has storage. The Beeline has a pantry. Changing room with another large double closet. Tiled window bathroom with mirrored 3-door vanity. All right, another look around. Thanks for looking. Beeline at building 15 West 139. Thanks for joining me.